So Hoto sent me another one. This is a 2-in-1. This is an electric air duster plus a vacuum. It is compact and very handy. It has an extremely powerful blower and also a one-touch operation. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Well, here's the package in which it comes in. You can see it has a bunch of different accessories that it does come with. And on the back, you can also make out any of the battery information, temperatures, and storage, and runtime, approximate runtime. So you can get a look at that if you want. So in the kit, we get our user's manual. We get a charging USB Type-C cable, one of the adapters. Looks like this might be the vacuum portion. Here is another one. And we get the actual unit itself. We get also in here another accessory. And it looks like we get a travel bag, included travel bag, so you can put the unit in and all of your accessories. So as we take a look at this guy, I don't know if it's charged or not. It's the first time I am opening this. Whoa. So we got suction on one end and the blower on the other. It looks like it's only one speed. Nope, 2 speeds. So we have inlet, it actually says right on it, inlet and outlet. So that's actually nice to know. We have a little lock symbol there. Probably has a twisting motion. And there is where your charging port is. So that's the outlet. This is the inlet. It's as simple as that. Put it on and twist. Now you have a vacuum. Oh, don't mind this mess. Look at that. It actually sucks it right up before I even get to it. Very nice. And if we take it off, I don't know where the pieces go. Aha! So you can take it apart just like that and empty it back out just like that into a garbage can. So on the other end of the spectrum here, we have some other tools that we can utilize, and we can basically blow this stuff away. We'll turn it on low, and you can see the power of it. Oh yeah. Very strong. That is a strong unit. I actually like that. And we can see some of the other accessories. You can put any one of these on. This would be like for inflating something. So you put that in, you can inflate like a balloon or something like that. And this is just an oversized piece, I guess. These don't really go in together. So you have all those sides for that. And then, of course, if you want to put this back on, and you can actually put this on as an attachment, just like that. And you can use it like this to vacuum up, or you can brush it away and vacuum it. So that's actually kind of nice. All right, here's my charging brick again. And we are just going to plug this in right here. and we get a red LED that flashes. So according to the user's manual, this red light will turn to a white light and stay solid when it is fully charged. I'll tell you what, this thing impressed me, especially with the blowing capabilities. I think this is more powerful than the other two handheld ones that I do have. And this thing can actually, it's a vacuum also, so I can get around some little areas. I think that's pretty unique. Aside from that, I will put a link down below if you want to go ahead and check this thing out, and maybe you want to pick yourself up one, or maybe for a friend or a family member. The holidays are coming up, by the way. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for me. Until next time, take care.